Namaste. Namaste is the greetings of India. So I want to start with Namaste. I'm Dr. Surya Kant. I'm professor and head at Department of Respiratory Medicine, King George's Medical University, Lucknow, India. I'm also the president of Indian College of Allergy, Asthma and Applied Immunology, and have been past president of two important chest associations of India, that is Indian Chest Society and National College of Chest Physicians, India. At the outset, I really want to thank to the event organizer, that is Shalina Healthcare, for this academic initiative, and of course the DocMode Health Technology for providing the technology platform. And this wonderful initiative taken by Shalina Healthcare, I will be a speaker on live webinar on 16 January on the topic that is acute cough caused by infections and allergies, place of multi-component therapy. In this lecture, I will try my best to sensitize you, to update you, upgrade you, and provide capacity building regarding the algorithm and management of diagnosis of cough and management of cough. So on that day, I will try my best to discuss the all dimensions of cough, including the presentation, including the types, including the investigational and treatment approaches, algorithm, and of course, everything which is related with cough. So thank you very much.